I reckon it is time to explain how the Nigeria Deposit Insurance Corporation (NDIC) does exactly what it is mandated to do for the average Nigerian and for the stability of the banking system. The institution's mandates are enshrined in the NDIC Act of 2023 as amended, with clearly defined yet interconnected components. First is deposit guarantee, where NDIC provides protection for depositors of licensed banks up to specified limits. The second is anchored on prudential regulation and supervision, and here, NDIC works with the CBN in supervising the banks to ensure they run in an efficient and sound manner. The third mandate of the NDIC is failure resolution, and this is when NDIC collaborates with the CBN to address issues that may lead to bank failure. The fourth component is bank liquidation. This is when NDIC serves as liquidator after a bank's license has been revoked. NDIC proceeds by closing the bank in an orderly fashion, selling its assets, and then proceeding to pay out insured deposits to stakeholders.
For protection of depositors of failed banks, I'll try to relate it with our mandates. The main thing that concerns depositors is the guarantee that we give when banks fail. So NDIC guarantees the depositors to a particular limit. And that limit now is 5 million for deposit money banks, or what we call commercial banks, and MMOs. And then for the microfinance banks and primary mortgage banks, we guarantee up to 2 million.
So what we do is to make sure that the system is trusted, that when you keep your funds, if you keep it at home, in the event of fire or theft, there is no reimbursement. But if you are financially included, you put it in any formal banking system or that we guarantee. In the unlikely event of distance, we are able to reimburse your money.
In responding to evolutions within Nigeria's banking system, the NDIC has also been dynamic in its approach to delivering on its core mandates. The corporation works continuously behind the scenes, analyzing bank data and identifying risk before they become crises.
Looking at our vision as an institution, it is to be one of the best deposit insurers in the world. So basically all we do is driven by that aim to be the best. One question we keep asking ourselves is, what we are doing, is this the way the best will do it? And if that is not the way, we change.
When NDIC says nearly 99% of all depositors in Nigerian banks are now fully covered under the Enhanced Deposit Insurance Scheme, this is not a small number. It means for a vast majority of people who save in Nigerian banks, your money is safe. This includes the salary earner, the small business owner, and even the mother concerned over the savings for her children's school fees.
Well, banking is a business that is based on trust. It is about the only business where you go, keep your money, walk away with the expectation that when you get back, the money will be there. In those days, there used to be passbook. These days, nothing. If I ask you to give me evidence of anything you have in the bank now, you probably bring out your phone. Supposing there's something wrong and you can't access your phone, it becomes difficult to prove that you have deposit. So I get worried that if a depositor should go to the bank and is not able to get his money, that keeps me awake. But then, because of the prudential regulation and supervision that we do in collaboration with the CBN, we assure depositors that the banks are safe, they are sound, and the financial system is resilient.
But what good is a guarantee if people do not know it exists? And what value is protection if it never reaches those who need it most? Next on NDIC and you.
What IADI, International Association of Deposit Insurance, has specified as its minimum mandate, payment within 7 days, we achieve it even within 7 days or even shorter.